This part of Penygores is really important because it is the gateway in many respects to Dyffryn Nantlle, going through Penygores, Talsan and on to Nantlle. And of course we have Low Neifion that connects the village with then the cycle path to Llanllyfni and the other direction to Groeson and on to Caernarfon. And there's an area of land that really has laid waste for many years. But through working together and through the efforts of Mark, who has successfully bid for a grant, we can now look at a study that can come up with the options and improve this area so that we can make better use of it to the future.
We were very fortunate in securing some funding through the Morn Minnau grant. There's two elements to the project. One is to extend and build upon a new link between Low Neifion and Dyffryn Nantlle. And the second is to look at, prepare a study into the open land and the open areas within the village itself.